Welcome to State of Tech Android App of the Week. My name's Jared Hill, and today we're going to take a look at the business calendar. So the business calendar is it means business, is what I think. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's a calendar for those of you that are in business. It's just a calendar that gets things done because it's very easy to use. And of course, there's only so many things that you can do with a calendar, but the way that this displays all of your stuff and makes it available to you is very easy and customizable. So we're going to take a look on the test bench, some of the different features of this app. We're going to look at the beautiful widgets that it comes with and how to set all that stuff up. So I think you'll see that it is a really good app for the price, business calendar, just because of the way that it lets you control all of the items that are in your calendar and look at them in different ways. So let's head on over to the test bench and take a look. So let's launch Business Calendar. This is a great calendar app. As I mentioned, it just is loaded with features and beautiful widgets. So we're viewing agenda mode right now, which allows me to see what my schedule looks like right from here. And of course, I could switch to month view or week view. So if we go to month view, it basically looks like this. It's color coded, but it just shows us color blocks of time. And then of course, we have kind of our key down here that shows us what colors mean which calendar. I can also switch to, let's just go to our week view where I can view the week and I can slide through that, which is a really neat feature, just being able to slide through from week to week. So this is a good alternative to agenda view if you need something, if you do better with a little bit of a grid way of viewing your calendar. Notice that we also have this slider here to kind of have how many weeks and days we want to have squeezed in to this section. So if you need a little bit more room, perhaps you just want 3 days or 4 days, very easy to do that. So in our agenda view, of course, which is my preferred view, I can view all of my stuff on each day and scroll through and see all of that. It also shows me which ones have alerts, which show up right there on the side. I can go and just tap today and it automatically takes me back to today. I can add an event, very simple to add an event. Notice that I get also kind of a view of today over on the right hand side. I can choose my calendar. I give it a title, choose my days, location, description, my reminder, which I have set to a default of 30 minutes, but you can set that default to any amount of time. Add guests, just the typical calendar stuff for adding an event. Very, very basic as far as that goes, but that's typically the same. I mean, there's only so many things you could enter into your calendar. So also some additional features. We've got a day view, our calendars. We can resync, but if we go into our settings, we can set our quick navigation, our core hours, 8 to 10 a.m. as default. First day of the week, Monday, however we want that to appear. There are lots of different options. We've got week view, agenda view, event details, how these work, how the pop-ups work, whether or not you're using this app for reminders or you're using the standard default app that's built into your device. We also have in our general settings here where we can set the widgets and all that good stuff as well, and our colors. So let's take a look at the widgets, which I think is one of the most useful features in this app. Of course, it is a calendar app and it does calendar things, which is good. It does it well, but the widgets are what I think are beautiful. So let's scroll over. Here is a full screen widget, which shows us everything on our calendar. Notice we also have some tools down here below to add new items to our calendar. We've got settings. We can refresh and toggle up and down through things as well. And then we also have a smaller one here, even smaller one, and then even just an icon that shows how many upcoming events we have in the next week. So lots of different widgets. These are only a few out of all of the widgets you can choose from. If I tap and hold and go to widgets and then kind of scroll over to the calendar widgets, notice that there are loads of them, which gives us lots of different sizes to choose from. And of course, with each of these different sizes comes different options. So when we tap on that, we can configure our widget and make it appear and work the way that we want. For example, if we wanted a widget to only show a certain calendar, or only show be a certain type, like an agenda or a week view or a month view. We can set that and customize these widgets completely. I have yet to find an app that gives you this much control over your calendar widgets, which I think is what makes it a beautiful app for me and why I love having this on my Android phone. So as you can see, I have, a bunch of these widgets in place. Of course, I don't need all of those. I like this one on a full page because I could just come through here and view all of my different items. Of course, I can tap on it to go straight out and view anything that I need right from within. So lots of different features indeed in this app. And then these widgets are just gorgeous. I love them. So we'll just get rid of these ones because I don't need them. I like having that full page widget here with my upcoming stuff. Of course, I can edit and change this widget and even customize it to my own liking. But like I said, this app, you can make it your own and make it work the way that you want it to work. It's just a really nice app to have on your Android. So if you're looking for a great calendar, this is a great app to have. Also looks and works beautiful on the Android tablet. We took a look at this app on the Android tablet over at State of Tech as well. So make sure that you head on over to stateoftech.net and see what it looks like on an Android tablet because it's a great app to have. You can get it in either market, the Android marketplace or the Amazon marketplace. We've put up the Amazon Marketplace link over on our State of Tech website, so make sure you check that out. This week's Android app of the week, of course, with State of Tech is Business Calendar. Not only just for business, it just means it's getting business done. I mean, it's a great app to have on your device, so check it out. That's why it's this week's app of the week on State of Tech, Android app of the week. We'll see you next time.